Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're looking at this beautiful East Quarter residences. This is the one bedroom. It's the model. I mean, look at how gorgeous this is. It's just phenomenal, stunning, phenomenal. That's a new word. Look at this fridge. The fridge is gorgeous, LG, and it's gorgeous appliances. And you've got gas to cook with. Look at that gas. Love it. The backsplash is amazing. It's marble backsplash. I hardly ever see that. That is amazing. And then just look at all these beautiful cabinets. This is delightful. Even these cabinets at the top. There's even this bar, kind of mini bar area here. This is phenomenal. I love this look and feel. This is what it looks like in here and with the island. And then just look at the space here. Isn't this just beautiful? It's really, really delightful. There's a wine bar that's right there. That's just neat. And then this is on the 8th floor. So this is going to have a super nice balcony out to the amenity floor. So it's a little bit different than maybe some of the other floors, but man, isn't that cool? This is just gorgeous. This is the place you want to be in. If you like this video, by the way, give me a like on YouTube, and can't wait to show you more. We're about to see more right now.